Hey, did you just recently get a Cricut hat press or the hat press everything bundle? If you did, let's make some hats together. First, I just want you to look at the screen. This is the hat press design template. It is free for you to use. If you want to access this, feel free to follow me. The description I put below of the PDF has the design that is free from Cricut this month, and or for a period of time, and it also has a QR code that links directly to my profile. So let's go to images and choose a design. You could search for multiple designs, but I am going to choose a design that is available in the design space that I know is perfect for the hat. So here you'll see a cute little sunglasses. I selected it, I added to canvas. And then, as you can see, it's bigger than the template, so I'm going to hit the unlock button, and I'm going to resize it to fit the design box, the template box. You can make it slightly a little smaller, that would be perfect. And then I'm going to hit make it, put it on matte, continue. Normally, you could mirror or not mirror when there is no words. I chose to mirror just because I wanted the bird to be on the other side. I'm going to hit continue. Since I'm using the HTV from the Hat Press Everything bundle, I am going to choose my material as Everyday Iron-On. And then typically for the pressure, depending on how much usage you already have on your blade and your mat, I typically have it on default because I keep my mats and blade up to date. So remember to put your iron-on material facing down, the shiny side down. So I'm going to go and load the mat. Once you send the project to the machine, you could put your vinyl onto the mat. Make sure you use a brayer to put it down real good. Then put it in the machine for it to cut. I wanted to talk to you about this true leaf, the true weeding kit that came with the bundle. So if you're newer to this is pretty awesome. This is the lock button right here. If you twist it, it goes to unlock. So don't hurt yourself. You put it in here, you push the button, and it releases. So here I'm back with the weeded design. It looks gorgeous. And I can't wait to put it in my hat. First thing you do is flip out the bill. Then put it into the form. Give it a little pull. And here it is. It's inside. Just want to double check. And what you really need is, and this is crucial, is this lint roller. You want to remove any dust or dirt from the hat because this hat works with infusible ink. So if there's any lint or anything and it's pressed, it will stay on the hat and the hat will look dirty. So I'm going to select Everyday Iron-On because this was part of the Cricut Hat Press Everything Iron-On bundle. I'm going to choose the trucker hat, hit next, and follow instructions on the screen. You might not be able to see that because of the light that I have on, but that might be better. It says to preheat the hat for 5 seconds, press for 60, and then cold peel. So I'm going to send the instructions to the hat press, and it's going to start blinking. So I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to press this and preheat for 5 seconds as recommended. Put this back on the stand. Eyeball this right now. Make sure you get rid of the excess vinyl, or also press on the hat. And then follow the instruction on the screen. So here I have some strong heat tape from Cricut, and I'll tell you, this is better. This is really strong. It's different from the blue one, so make sure you get the right one when you're reordering. Okay, so it's down there good. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to press the go button and follow the instruction on the screen. It says constant movement. You don't really have to push really hard, and you just want to be careful of your constant movement, because if you push too hard you could bend the vinyl, and this is cold peel vinyl, so it needs consistency. You do not want to lift the design off of the hat and then pressing it back down, because then it will not adhere properly. My aunt had so much fun playing with this. She did this too and made some for her friends during her visit. So there you go. Now we're just gonna wait for it to cool down, and then we'll come back and peel. Okay, now this is cold to touch. So this is cold peel. So let's remove some tape. I like to remove the tape first. It helps the peeling process. And now you can see how gorgeous does this look. So a couple tips that I had for when I am playing with the heat press, just like any other heat press and designs, you want to make sure the design is not too thin, too intricate, and then you want to make sure that you tape it down really good. Don't sure, like if you were to tape something on the hat press, because you have constant movement, and because this is a hat and it's also not flat, going like in a curve movement, it is actually better to waste a little vinyl so that you have one nice big piece like this to iron on versus multiple tiny little pieces. So hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see your projects.